चलो
Ready? Okay, first of all, you have to fix two parts. This one, male, female. Okay. After, first you will put the cylinder. This is for the normal hole. This is 23 mm. I cut the cylinder. You can cut this rod according to your door thickness. After you will fix this part with the screw. Okay. This cylinder. After this is the first part, front part. This is the male female two joint. You will fix this one first of all. After you will put this one. This one, okay. Here you will put this part like this. Inside you will join this one wire with the first part. After you will hide this part wire in the closing here. After you will put this part परले पास you will put this part like this. This one and this one. Okay, now down like this. After easily you can put this part first of all. This one. After this part
screwdriver तुम थोड़ा सा ले करो बताओ okay. Okay, now this is now okay. Now you have to put the screw.
But we will put this screw. Yes.
Shift lock.
Now you will put the battery. Yes, हाँ ਆਪਣੀ ਸ਼ੈਂਡੀ ਲਾਏ ਬਿਨਾਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਣਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਿ ਇੱਕ ਬੰਦਾ ਲੱਗਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਨਾ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਪੂਰਾ ਕਰਨ ਦਿਆ ਜੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਲੈ ਅਜੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਓਕੇ ਯੂ ਵਿਲ ਪੁੱਟ ਦ ਬੈਟਰੀ ਯੂ ਵਿਲ ਪੁੱਟ ਦ this one this one after you can check the from outside this is now okay inside okay